Hello guys, what's up? This is the first video in the series of web development. In this video, I'll introduce you to the HTML, its use, etc. We will have a full series. We will start from the scratch and we will learn how to make a full-fledged website. Okay. So basically, you can learn the definitions from any book. So you should not do it. Just focus on the learning part. You can learn definition from any book or anywhere. And moreover, you have to keep patience because it takes time to learn. And obviously, you have to keep practicing more and more. Okay, so let's start. Basically, HTML is a programming language which is used to create web pages. And we already know a number of web pages are collectively make a website. Okay, so this is a broader aspect, so you have to keep this in mind. Okay, so let's start with an example so you can know what we are gonna do in this video. Okay. So if I write something like the following in Notepad, not the whole line, just the code, HTML with the opening and closing braces and the last HTML. Okay, yeah, this one, the highlighted one. If we write this in Notepad and just save it as an HTML file, okay, it is saved here. Okay, if we open it, so it has saved as a web page. So you did it, congrats, this is your first web page. Okay. So there are many things, so you just keep practicing, learn, and you will learn in no time. Okay, so there are some HTML editors available for the simplicity of writing programs. I prefer Notepad++, this one. It is very easy to use. You can just use this Notepad++. Okay. There are many simple things in this. Okay, let's see. In Notepad++ there are many tags like the HTML one we used just right now. So what are tags? Just we use this HTML one. This is called a tag with an opening and closing bracket. Okay. There are many tags. We'll start with some tags which are used for the text. Okay. So this is a common HTML web page. Okay, so this one is a opening and this one is a closing with a backslash, and it is necessary to close a tag, otherwise it will show an error. Okay, there is a body tag. The whole code will be within your body tag. Okay, you have to keep this in mind. Apart from body tag, there are other tags like head and title. Head is called header, and title is basically used for the top bar. So let me show you what title does. Okay, so here is your title. Okay, so whatever title you write, it will come in the top bar. There are several other common tags apart from these two which are used for the text purpose, mainly writing text, like h1, h2, h3, like this. P is used for writing paragraphs. H1, h2 we use generally for writing headings. H1, h2. So like h2, the size of h2 is less than the size of h1. Similarly, the size of h3 is less than that of h2. Okay. Yeah, like this. Okay, so we are writing a example, a program which will show you how it happens. Okay, so just we have written the h1, h2, h3 so that you can find the difference. using p tag you can write a paragraph. So I'm taking just a paragraph for some book. Okay, I don't want to write, it will be a long. Okay, you can just write afterwards. So I've done this video actually very fast, but from next video onwards I'll try to keep it a little bit slow. Okay, so you can see this HTML bigger than decreasing its size. So we saw just how h1 is greater than h2 and h2 is greater than h3. So in our next video we'll learn how to color our text, change the font style, font size, etc using the style tag. It's a very useful tag, and your true HTML starts from here. So you'll learn to style your tag. Okay, so please visit and please subscribe, like and comment, and if you feel any doubt, anything, just comment and I'll answer for sure.